Indian troops continued their massive cordon and search operation in Islamabad district. According to Kashmir Media Service, the Indian Army, paramilitary, and the police personnel launched the cordon and search operation after a non-Kashmiri vendor from India's Bihar state was killed in the Bijbihara area of the Islamabad district on Wednesday evening. National Conference senior leader Agha Sayyid Ruhullah Mehdi has said that the BJP-led Indian government has enforced a graveyard silence in occupied Kashmir, which is showcasing as normalcy. According to Kashmir Media Service, Ruhullah Mehdi in a media interview in Srinagar said BJP government has created such an environment of fear and terror in the territory that people are afraid to speak. Protests were held in Srinagar and Baramulla districts against the authorities' anti-people policies. According to Kashmir Media Service, retired employees of the Jammu and Kashmir Tourism Development Department Corporation gathered at the Tourist Reception Center in Srinagar to protest the prolonged delay in the release of their retirement dues. Azad Jammu Kashmir Prime Minister Chaudhry Anwarul Haq and the Federal Minister for Kashmir Affairs Engineer Amir Muqam held a detailed meeting at the Kashmir House, Islamabad. According to Kashmir Media Service, the two leaders discussed the matters of the mutual concerns, including the political and human rights situation in the occupied Kashmir. BJP installed administration in the occupied Kashmir suspended a government employee for his refusal to perform the duty during the Indian Lok Sabha elections. According to Kashmir Media Service, occupied Kashmir administration took action against Javed Ahmed Sofi, a government employee in Srinagar, for what it called the breach of the Model Code of Conduct guidelines for the Indian parliamentary elections. Mishal Hussain Malik, the chairperson of Peace and Culture Organization and the wife of the jailed Kashmiri Hurriyat leader Mohammad Yasin Malik, has lauded the British parliamentarians for pressing the Narendra Modi-led Indian fascist government to release the illegally detained Kashmiri Hurriyat leaders, including Yasin Malik.